I'm going to draw the view hierarchy diagram for options A, B, and C. We'll start with option A. It contains a linear layout as the root view, so let me draw that. Then I want to figure out the next layer of the view hierarchy, which would be the direct children of this linear layout. I'm going to scroll through the XML file to figure out the direct children of this linear layout. We have a text view, a linear layout, another text view, and then a button. So let me draw that in. Cool, that looks good, but we actually skipped over a bunch of XML related to this linear layout. This nested linear layout contains a button, a text view, and a button. Let's draw those in. This is the view hierarchy diagram for option A. At a high level, there is a parent linear layout as the root view. It contains 5 children views, and one of the children actually is a linear layout that contains 3 more views. Great, let's move on to option B. In option B, we have a parent linear layout as the root view again. Now we can figure out the direct children of this linear layout. We have a text view, a linear layout, another text view, and a button. This nested linear layout also has more children. We have a button, a text view, and another button. Hopefully, you're getting the idea of how to read an XML file by looking at the outermost parent first and then going inwards from there. And last but not least, we have option C. The root view is a linear layout again. Let's look for its direct children. We have a linear layout, followed by a text view, and a button. Okay, good. So this is the view hierarchy diagram for option C. This looks a little bit different than the other options, so let's compare them side by side. Here are all the options side by side. A and B have very similar view hierarchies, whereas option C has a different view hierarchy. This linear layout has only 4 children as opposed to 5 children in the other cases. Also, since A and B look very similar, we're going to have to look more closely at the XML to determine what the difference is between the two. In the next quiz, you'll look more closely at the XML for each option. Then I'll ask you to decide which option you think best accurately describes the layout that we want to build.